Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3. Add the following. As we have done 4 in a class, in our live class, so we will do only 3 from the addition and question number 4 for subtraction. Exercise 9.1 chapter 9 algebraic expression. In this question, add the following. You can see two expressions are there in which in these two expressions we have to add these two expressions. You know how to do this. First you will write the first one, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Then one expression is over. Then you have to write a addition sign, one addition sign. Then second expression, 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Now you have to arrange them according to their like terms. Take all these like terms, p square q square, p square q square, yes it is p square q square. So like terms you will arrange order wise. P square 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. Then pq and pq minus 3pq plus 7pq. Then two constant terms are also there, so you have to 3pq and 7pq we have done here. Then plus 4 and plus 5. Now what we can see here, 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. If you subtract it, it will be from 3, 2 is subtracted, so 1p square q square will be there. And as because minus sign in front of 3, so it will be minus p square q square. Then minus 3pq plus 7pq. Different sign. You need to subtract this, and the after subtraction result will be 4pq. From 7 you are subtracting 3, so result is 4pq. And the sign in front of 7, larger number is here. 7, the plus sign is there, so you will write plus sign in front of this term, 4pq. Now 4 plus 5, it is 9. So all the work, all the like terms work operations has completed, and this is the answer of this addition. Come to the next sum. Now subtract this term from this term. First of all, you have to concentrate this word. From this term, you have to subtract this term. That means this from part you have to write in front, because from this expression you have to subtract this expression from this expression. So you will write this expression first. Solution 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3, and then you will subtract this expression. So subtraction sign, that is minus sign you will give, and the whole expression write it inside a bracket. 4a. When you are subtracting this, then bracket is very important. Afterwards you will understand why I am giving this bracket. Minus sign, because of subtraction. You are subtracting this expression from this expression, so this one you will write first, then a minus sign, and then whole expression you will write inside the bracket. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Next what you will do, this portion you will write as it is, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Then minus is outside, so all the sign will be multiplied by this minus sign. Then minus 4a minus, and in front of 4 there is the plus sign, so plus into minus, minus 4a. Next minus into minus, plus 7ab. Then minus into plus, minus 3b. Then minus into plus, minus 12. See, actually whatever the sign inside the bracket, in the expression was there, all the sign has been changed. inverse, because minus is outside and you are multiplying all the sign by this minus sign. Understood? Now same as you have done in question number 3, arrange them according to their like terms. Now 12a, 4a, minus 4a, then minus 9ab, plus 7ab, then minus 5 plus 5b, and minus 3b, then minus 3 and minus 12. All the terms you have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the terms you have, all the portions, all the terms you have written properly. Now 12a minus 4a, it will be 8a, subtraction, result of the subtraction 8a and plus sign in front of 12, so plus 8a. Minus 9ab plus 7ab, different sign you need to subtract. 9 minus 7, it will be 2, and as the 9 in front of 9 minus sign, larger number has minus sign, so you will write minus 2ab. Then plus 5b minus 3b, again you need to subtract, different sign is there, you need to subtract, so 5 minus 3, it will be 2b, and before 5, in front of 5 plus sign is there, so it is the larger one, so plus you will write here. Next, minus 3 and minus 12, both have same sign, so you need to add them, it is minus 15. So what is the result? 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Understood? Practice these two sums only, and as you have to practice your exam for your term 1 exam also, so practice these two sums. Thank you, students.